On behalf of Student Health and Wellness, we wish you a warm welcome to the UConn family. College may mark the first time your student will take full responsibility for their wellness practices. We hope this module will give you an introduction to the resources at UConn that are designed to support your Husky in navigating their health and well-being. Student Health and Wellness, also known as SHaW, uses an integrated model to provide care and services. This holistic approach connects students to quality medical and mental health care, while also providing them opportunities to learn to make choices that positively affect their entire well-being. To do this, we have a team of specialists who have extensive training and experience in the college health setting and are able to meet the unique needs of college students. Student Health and Wellness is accredited through several professional organizations. The Accreditation Association for Ambulatory Healthcare. At present, less than 20% of college health centers are AAHC accredited. The International Accreditation of Counseling Services. And for our doctoral internship in professional psychology, the American Psychological Association. We've also applied for leadership status to the Healthcare Equality Index. Currently, there are only 5 college health organizations with this recognition. These accreditations help us to maintain the highest standards and reflect our commitment to your students' experience. Our care, services, and programs fall under 4 service lines that are fully integrated with each other. We provide an array of medical care services, such as annual exams, allergy shots, and preventative immunizations, in addition to treating acute illnesses and injuries. We have overnight care and a 24/7 nurse advice line. Our team of physicians, nurse practitioners, registered nurses, registered dietitians, and other college health specialists are dedicated to making sure your student receives the best care possible. We offer a wide range of mental health services to support the emotional well-being of students and to address mental health challenges. Services include individual therapy, group therapy, walk-in access, case management, substance recovery, sports psychology, and 24/7 crisis support. Also, our psychiatric providers perform medical evaluation and medication monitoring that supports therapeutic work. Our team of therapists understands the complexities of student life and provides a supportive and confidential environment to help students when they are struggling with behavioral health issues. We also have a pharmacy right on the store's campus, where students can fill any medication prescribed at Student Health and Wellness or at UConn Health in downtown stores. Our pharmacists provide prescription counseling to ensure students leave with all their questions answered. They also stock the pharmacy with commonly used over-the-counter medications and other medical supplies that students can walk in to purchase. Our health promotion team provides a variety of programs, resources, and services that focus on creating a culture of health and wellness at UConn through topics that are most meaningful to college students, such as sleep, nutrition, exercise, recreation, substance use, recovery, positive coping strategies, healthy social and sexual relationships, and a sense of belonging. The health promotion team also supports our Wellness Coalition, which is a group of faculty, staff, and students who facilitate conversation and joint action on health and wellness topics. For example, the Coalition co-sponsors an annual Innovate Wellness Challenge, in which students design creative solutions to community health concerns. While we do important work at each of our 3 physical locations, we also provide outreach and education across campus. This enables us to interact with students in their own spaces and help them feel more comfortable about reaching out to us when they need our services. Our services and programs are designed to promote a healthy lifestyle during your students' time at college and for years to come. Much of our work is supported by the Student Health and Wellness fee, with no additional charge to your student. This includes mental health crisis services, 24/7 advice nurse coach wellness visits, outreach, health and education, and health promotion programs. Other direct care services follow a fee-for-service billing model similar to your private physician or mental health provider's office, and are billed through medical, behavioral health, or prescription insurance. We hope by now you're realizing just how committed we are to your students' health, well-being, and safety. We can't do this alone, so we collaborate with multiple partners across campus and in the community. We work hard to create a safety net for our Huskies. These relationships help us assist your student in a rapidly changing landscape. If your student needs support, no matter which office they connect with first, staff at UConn are dedicated to getting them the services they need to achieve their health, academic, and professional goals. You also play a very important role in helping your student transition to life as a UConn Husky. There will be normal and predictable types of stress and adjustment at college. They will likely call home when faced with illness, injury, or other issues affecting their well-being. Remember, we're here to help you and your student. Encourage them to connect with the UConn resources that will help them manage their challenges. Help your student be an advocate for themselves. Talk with them about how to access health care. Even something as simple as knowing where their insurance card is may be a first-time experience. Let our resources and experience help them to navigate this new territory. This is a good time to touch on privacy and confidentiality, since we know how important that is for students in feeling comfortable connecting with our services. All medical and mental health care at Student Health and Wellness is confidential. Privacy is protected by various state and federal regulations. You are always welcome to contact us if you have a concern about your student, but we must have your student's permission to disclose information about their care. We work with students to support them in feeling equipped to communicate around their health and safety, and often you serve as some of our most valuable partners. Our goal is for your student to be able to communicate directly with you about their health and wellness. At the same time, we ask you to recognize that there may be things they prefer to keep private. But be assured that in the case of a medical emergency, we are allowed to notify you even without written permission. Now let's spend a few minutes highlighting some things your student will need to take care of prior to starting the fall semester. These items enable us to provide them the best care possible while ensuring the health and wellness of the campus community. In order to protect the health of our community as a whole, State of Connecticut general statutes, as well as UConn regulations, require every full-time student to provide proof of adequate immunization or screening for certain infectious diseases. Prior to July 1st, your student will need to upload immunization information and complete the health history form that is available on the Student Health Portal at myhealth.uconn.edu. Failure to provide this information will result in a hold being placed on your student's PeopleSoft account. For a list of mandatory vaccinations, please visit our website. Medical insurance coverage is required of all students. This can be a personal insurance policy, a plan carried by a parent or guardian, or the group plan sponsored by the university. UConn uses a hard waiver system for its health insurance plan. This means your student will be automatically enrolled in the university-sponsored plan unless they waive out by showing proof of current medical insurance coverage. If you wish to keep the university plan, there is nothing you need to do. The annual premium will be charged to your student's fee bill, and coverage will begin on August 15th. If you wish to decline the university plan, you must do so through the health insurance waiver in your student's PeopleSoft account. Please remember that this needs to be done at the start of each academic year. Plan information, instructions, and deadlines can be found on our website. Alcohol EDU is a mandatory online interactive prevention program for college students. In early August, your student will receive an email regarding the program and the deadlines for completion. Alcohol EDU is going to give your student lots of good information about what we call harm reduction strategies, techniques to reduce the risk of harm that they or someone else experiences related to alcohol. Even if your student chooses not to drink, they may be around others who do. Alcohol EDU empowers students to make well-informed, safe decisions about alcohol that will help them be successful at UConn. Student Health and Wellness is committed to meeting the ever-changing needs of UConn students. We continually adapt and evolve to address campus or community circumstances that impact student well-being. This past semester, for example, many of our services effectively shifted to virtual platforms so we could continue to provide excellent care to the UConn community. As this presentation comes to its conclusion, we know many of you might have additional questions specific to your students' personal health. Please visit our new student website for additional information, frequently asked questions, and supplemental videos covering the topics pertaining to your students' UConn transition. Also, watch for opportunities to participate in live, virtual question and answer sessions throughout the summer, and don't hesitate to reach out to a member of our team. We'd be glad to assist you. Transitioning to college is an exciting opportunity for your new Husky to make a commitment to their well-being. Rest assured that the UConn community is here to support them. We want them to be well and know what that means for them. We want them to feel well, to get the most out of their experience here. And we want them to do well, to access the resources and support services they need to succeed personally, academically, and professionally. Welcome to the UConn family.